DBI Gas- und Umwelttechnik is a modern company in the service of the gas industry and the environment. The fields of competence include the complete value-added chain of natural gas from production to utilization. In 1998, the subsidiary DBI Gastechnologisches Institut was founded as a non-profit company. This institution covers basic research, pre-competitive non-profit research, education, and vocational training in gas-related subjects, as well as an independent testing laboratory. The DBI Gas- und Umwelttechnik has its main office in Leipzig, a central location in the heart of Germany. The DBI Gastechnologisches Institut is located at a historical location in Freiberg. Dr. Hartmut Krause is the managing director of both companies since 2006. DBI Gastechnologisches Institut is also an associated institute of the Technical University Bergakademie Freiberg. In both companies, three basic fields of expertise can be found, which are oriented on the utilization chain of natural gas. These fields are oil and gas production and storage, gas grids and systems, gas utilization, as well as an accredited chemical laboratory. The DBI Gastechnologisches Institut maintains, together with the DV GW, German Technical and Scientific Association for Gas and Water, a training center, and the independent testing laboratory, Energy. Solutions for production and transportation of oil and gas, as well as gas storage, are developed by the Department of Oil and Gas Production. To guarantee a safe and stable supply, DBI Gas- und Umwelttechnik is active internationally. The main focus lies in the geological and reservoir mechanical assessment of oil and gas fields. In addition, the company works in the area of geological exploration and technical exploitation of new oil and gas fields. Our engineers have long-term experience in all varieties of underground storage. For a number of years, the company has worked on national and international research projects for carbon dioxide sequestration and storage. The basis of all activities are modern research methods for geology and the reservoir mechanics. For this purpose, the multinational staff uses leading international software. The Department of Gas Grids and Systems is dedicated to all questions dealing with gas transportation pipelines, distribution networks, and supply infrastructure in towns and municipalities. Our engineers design and make new gas supply areas accessible. They are also a reliable partner for the optimization of gas grids. Also, in dealing with complex gas technological systems such as cleaning and treatment plants, DBI Gas- und Umwelttechnik offers its service. The latest tools are used for the designing of gas grids. In this way, diverse customer wishes can be met. Different specialists work together closely. Their specialized expertise and know-how can be optimized through teamwork to the benefit of the customer. DBI Gas- und Umwelttechnik develops software for the strategic planning of gas grid maintenance. Thereby, the different technical scenarios are connected with the economical goals of the customer. The effects of budgetary changes in connection with the quality of gas and water systems can be simulated by the Barrow software, which we have developed. This special permeation test equipment has been developed for the European research project Natural High. It is used to measure the gas leakage through the pipe walls. In this way, the impervious state of variable components can be diagnosed. The specialized area of gas utilization operates in the industrial and domestic sector. The main topics are innovative energy technologies, increase of energy efficiency, as well as the use of renewable energy sources. The Optisos minimally invasive diagnostic system was developed for the energetic analysis of hot systems. The system makes it possible to film the inside of hot thermal process chambers. The evaluation of the film is done in different spectral regions of light. The ultraviolet range of light is used for the flame diagnostics, the visible range for the inspection of the furnace, and finally the visualization of temperature fields is used within the infrared range. The analysis of product quality, energy consumption, and pollutant emissions are done by experienced engineers. Both companies are working in research and development projects for innovative domestic energy supply. Key aspects are the co-generation of heat and power, and also air conditioning technology, which especially includes fuel cell systems. In preparation for market introduction, practical field tests with prototypes are needed for the development of micro-combined heat and power facilities or gas heat pumps. DBI supervises field tests from the scientific point of view by applying modern measuring and analyzing techniques. The usage of biogas is a very promising area. DBI supports companies in the planning and operation of biogas upgrade and injection projects. DBI also works on its own research and development plans. The monitoring of gas composition is part of the routine job of the gas chemistry department. Measurements of the highest accuracy are done on site or in our own laboratory. Natural gas contains components which must be monitored for the security of technical plants and gas grid facilities. The equipment is custom-made for the natural gas industry. A high degree of quality is guaranteed by long-standing experience in natural gas analysis. The monitoring of odor concentrations for regional suppliers and public utility companies is done by DBI Gas und Umwelttechnik. The specialization in natural gas analysis includes also some rarely used measurement procedures. The DBI Gas und Umwelttechnik works as an accredited testing laboratory in compliance with international standards. For this reason, our certificates are internationally accepted. Investigation of rock characteristics, for example their permeability, is done in the laboratory to support the simulation of gas transport processes in underground storage areas. Analysis of corrosion processes in technical plants and pipe systems is also offered by DBI. One who understands the correlations will assess situations more effectively, act with foresight, and in a cool-headed way under critical circumstances. Employees of civil and underground construction companies, gas service, police, fire brigade, and technical emergency service are given instruction about the security of gas plants at the Freiberg DBI Training Center. The highlight is the digger damage demonstration facility. The participants learn how to act in the case of gas pipe damage and how to extinguish a gas blaze. Besides the damage training, seminars are held on regulations in gas transport, utilization, and new topics dealing with natural gas. Since 1974, gas devices were tested for their safety at DBI. The evaluation of gas and oil fittings, as well as facilities for solid fuels, like fireplaces, is done at the DBI GTI Testing Laboratory, Energy. In the testing laboratory, modern measurement techniques and special test facilities were used to evaluate gas devices for the adherence to European standards. The components of gas and water installations must fulfill very strict requirements. Mountings and fittings are also tested at the test laboratory. Product safety is guaranteed by numerous usability tests. Reliability testing under extreme conditions is a specialty of our laboratory. Devices are tested for their functionality at low temperatures in a climate-controlled chamber. Controlling elements of gas appliances can also be tested for wearing. Additionally, the DBI Gastechnologisches Institut is an accredited test and monitoring location for furnaces and fireplaces using solid fuels. Pollutant emissions and dust content are ascertained during the test cycle. Protecting the environment and more efficient use of fuels is tested by the adherence to the requirements of European standards. A wide range of service and research dealing with the complete value chain of natural gas and new regenerative energy sources is offered by DBI Gas- und Umwelttechnik and the DBI Gastechnologisches Institut, which is unique in Europe. Take advantage of our potential.